Welcome to the launch of The Pilot, a game-changing full-stack SaaS in the health tech sector, Metabolic Coach AI for GLP-1 therapy. GLP-1 medications are transformative, but they bring a critical challenge that needs to be addressed for patient safety and long-term success. GLP-1 therapies, like Ozempic and Wegovy, offer significant weight loss, but this rapid change demands careful, personalized monitoring beyond just scale weight. The dark side of rapid weight loss is the risk of sarcopenia, or severe muscle loss, which can severely compromise a patient's health and quality of life. To combat this, we introduce the Pilot Metabolic Coach AI, a clinical-grade MVP designed to monitor and assist in preventing sarcopenia. Our mission is clear: to provide intelligence-driven execution, moving beyond generic wellness advice to deliver precise, actionable insights. This clinical-grade minimum viable product enables continuous, real-time monitoring, ensuring timely and effective intervention when it matters most. The primary objective of the pilot is multifaceted: prevent sarcopenia, monitor key ratios, and automate necessary nutritional support. We achieve sarcopenia prevention through real-time alerts and a dedicated focus on muscle health, turning reactive care into proactive intervention. A core feature is the real-time monitoring of the dose-to-muscle ratio, a critical metric to ensure the GLP-1 therapy is optimized for fat loss, not muscle. The platform automates nutritional intervention, delivering personalized, science-backed dietary adjustments immediately when the data indicates a risk of muscle loss. We ensure a comprehensive health picture by seamlessly integrating wearable data, providing, the pilot with the rich continuous data streams required for intelligent decisions. To validate and refine the pilot, we are excited to announce a limited enrollment pilot program launching today. This exclusive opportunity is open to the first 10 qualifying GLP-1 users who apply, giving them unparalleled access to our technology. Participants will use the Pilot Metabolic Coach AI, completely free of charge for 30 days. This launch marks a new era in GLP-1 therapy, prioritizing safety and long-term metabolic health for every patient. We are proud to transform health tech with a robust, full-stack SaaS solution that places advanced AI at the core of patient care. Don't miss your chance to be among the first. Join the pilot program today and help us redefine metabolic healthcare.